Hi everyone, Dom here from Panasonic Europe. In this quick video I'm just going to talk you through what you need to know about positioning your Panasonic microwave when you get it home for the first time. It's actually a really common question we get asked by customers. This is the NNCD58 model and it's a standalone microwave model. All our standalone microwaves aren't intended to be used in built-in cupboards or cabinets, so please don't attempt that. The first thing you need to know is have it on a nice flat level surface. You can't adjust the legs on our microwave, so it's really important that the surface is nice and flat. And then secondly, you want to make sure that there's enough space around the microwave. So to the back, please leave at least 10 centimeters. To the left hand side here, please leave at least 5 centimeters. And above, please make sure you leave at least 15 centimeters. This right hand side needs to be as open as possible, because that's the side that the magnetron sits on. So that's really important. If you have any questions or concerns, please consult your operating instructions that you can download from our support site or get in touch with our team. Thanks.